with the folks from Designer Chrome. Now, James.
Yes, sir.
There are other folks doing chroming and re-chroming around the country.
Absolutely.
What makes Designer Chrome different?
Well, I think it all comes down to tech support, customer service, warranty, and the fact that we train and make sure we're committed to all of our shops out there. And not just to the shops, but also to the interim professionals at home in their own garages.
And you have equipment for the hobbyists. You have equipment for the pros.
We've got something for everybody. We've got small hobby kits. We've got medium-sized systems, and we've got, of course, the biggest and baddest, just like you see here today. We've got everything custom suited for everybody's likes and needs.
This might be new for some folks who aren't familiar with chroming, or they might have a small idea of what they can put chrome on. But what can you add chrome to with equipment from Designer Chrome?
Yeah, so believe it or not, we can actually do anything. Plastics, metal, fiberglass, carbon fiber, 3D printed parts, you name it, we can chrome it. Basically, if it can be painted, we can chrome it.
Now, what's the process like? How do you chrome something? We began with a speed shape like this. And how do we get that to the chrome piece that we see at the end?
Perfect. So actually, it's a fairly simple process. It's just like painting. You can prep your parts with standard 2K primers, build them up. You can go over metal just by simply sanding the original chrome. If you've got pitting, of course, things like that, you can sand it out, prime it, and then fill it. Once you've got it to a nice smooth surface, about 800 grit, that's when our process comes in. Our process is extremely simple. It's 3 layers: clear, chrome, clear.
And
done.
Yeah, walk through the individual steps. Now, this is the Zeus that you brought here. Of course, it's the granddaddy of the machines. This is for the pros that are doing it. And how have you made it easy for folks using this machine?
Well, with this system, it starts out with an individual pressurized gauge on the front of the machine, which you can control all the pressures of each one of the individual chemicals, and then individually you can set them to the necessary pressure to make sure that they come out just perfect each time.
Once you've prepped the surface, what do you do next?
So once the surface is clear coated, we'll come in. We activate first. Okay, this is basically like an acid etching material. It softens the clear, really gets the clear where it accepts the silver, because that's what this is, silver nitrate. We rinse it, and we come in with our silver nitrate, and that's what creates the chrome finish. We brighten it up with what's almost like a jewelry polish on steroids, and then we come in, rinse it off one more time, and blow it off with an air tip, and you've got chrome.
Piece of cake.
Yeah, piece of cake.
Absolutely. Anybody
can do this.
And it only took a few minutes here. It was 10 minutes from start to finish.
It really is. It's fast, it's easy, it's simple, and this is a great money maker for anybody looking to start out their own business at home.
How easy do you make it? What are some of the things you do to make it simple for folks to own a machine like this?
Well, I think it really, again, comes down to the training. It comes down to the tech support. We want to make sure that they're certified properly. This comes down to, what protective gear to wear. It comes down to, local laws, making sure that they comply. And then, of course, coming into it, making sure that each step of the way they're guided to be successful and to be part of the program that we've created today.
And how do you do that? How do you keep people trained? How do you get certified?
It's fairly simple. They contact us, they order their system. We'll train them over live video, which, once they receive their system, usually takes about 2 or 3 hours. Of course, we're there for ongoing, continuous tech support, and this is all at no charge. This is once they buy the machine, this comes with it. We'll get them set up, and, we'll walk them through the whole process. We'll train them. We'll get pieces from start to finish, on camera. We can see it, they can see it, and once we're comfortable and they're comfortable, we hit the road and we start advertising.
I've seen reviews on your website that say this is nothing short of perfect, nothing short of amazing. There's a lot of OMGs on there, people talking about all the different things they've done. Some really, really cool reviews and some satisfied customers.
Yeah.
They're getting a quality product to begin with. Where's this designed?
So it's designed right in the heart of New York. We're located right in Wisconsin. We're dead smack in the middle, just about an hour to the city, an hour to Montauk. So everything here, today that you see is all controlled and designed by Designer Chrome. And then from there, it's up to you guys to create the finish and follow the program we created.
How do you stand behind the product, and how do you stand behind the workmanship of the dealers that you have out there?
That's the best question of all. We give a 5-year warranty on all of your work once you're certified, and you're a certified applicator with Designer Chrome. Secondly, we give a lifetime warranty on the equipment. And that also goes for the materials. If anything's wrong with the materials, we know accidents happen. We know in shipping things can possibly get too hot and sit in a truck. We've got your back. We'll make sure you get your product. This is where it's at, and it's about the warranty that covers it from Designer Chrome.
How does someone get a hold of the Zeus or the other equipment that you offer at Designer Chrome?
Real simple. DesignerChrome.com, or give us a call, 631-846-8840.
Designer Chrome makes it easy. Just give them a call. You'll get top-notch equipment and top-notch support, and that is super important.